In today's interconnected global economy, manufacturing industries face unprecedented challenges. Efficiency, or the lack thereof, has long plagued the global manufacturing landscape. However, a promising trend emerges on the horizon: onshoring. This strategic shift aims to mitigate inefficiencies by returning industries to local shores, heralding a potential renaissance in manufacturing. The hurdle? Traditional manufacturing setups, hamstrung by outdated practices, struggle to adapt to the demands of a rapidly evolving market. This bottleneck signals a critical juncture for these industries: adopt change or stagnate. The catalyst for adaptation? The unequivocal shift towards onshoring, driven by a vision to streamline operations and heighten efficiency. Within this evolving narrative, innovation emerges as the linchpin for revitalization, with robotics and automation at the forefront, poised to redefine manufacturing challenges entirely. Pivoting from the broader challenges, we spotlight the vanguards of industrial innovation: robotics and automation. These technologies, central to the narrative of onshoring, usher in a new era for manufacturing. Through precision and efficiency, robotics and automation directly confront the endemic inefficiencies, reimagining production processes. This shift towards technologically infused manufacturing not only bolsters local economies, but also champions environmental sustainability by curtailing the emissions tied to extensive shipping logistics. Delving into case studies from the automotive to electronics sectors, the transformative power of automation becomes evident. Companies embracing these innovations witness pronounced gains in production efficiency, error reduction, and agility in responding to market fluctuations. Thus, the journey forward, illuminated by robotics and automation, extends beyond remedying present adversities. It forges a path towards unprecedented innovation and growth, reshaping the manufacturing landscape for manufacturers, investors, and the economy at large. The journey through the narrative of technological evolution in manufacturing culminates in a significant realization. Investing in robotics and automation transcends a mere modernization effort. It represents a cornerstone for future-proofing production, fostering innovation, and catalyzing economic resilience. This investment horizon reveals a myriad of benefits, from spearheading high-tech job creation to promising enticing returns for forward-looking investors. The renaissance in manufacturing, powered by robotics and automation, ushers in an era of precision, efficiency, and sustainability. Engaging with this transformative wave requires active participation. As potential stakeholders, there lies an opportunity to fuel this momentum. Delve into sectors on the cusp of technological breakthroughs, acquaint with cutting-edge manufacturing innovations, and align with pioneers steering this revolution. Investing in this domain is not just an investment in technology, it's a commitment to a future brimming with potential.